from a deep-rooted kind of disconnect with ourselves, with our inner selves. कि जब हम all these diets that you're talking about, people are very open to keto or macro counting or calorie deficits or eating very less, one meal, OMAD. मतलब पर उनका एक चीज होती है, मेन एम जो होता है लोगों का आजकल जो मैं देखती हूँ is weight loss and it's very rapid weight loss and seeing very rapid results.
Yeah. So हमें actually हर चीज करने की जल्दी है
and it shows a kind of lack of care
and your own self,
for yourself, lack of love for yourself because you're impatient with your body and you don't really wait or understand कि अच्छा चल क्या रहा है, मोटापा नहीं उतरा, क्यों नहीं उतरा, what is the metabolic or energetic root cause or even emotional root cause of this. People don't have the patience or even the imagination to see कि अच्छा ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. Because everything is so अच्छा नहीं, अब साइंस ये कहती है इतने कैलोरीज इसमें है तो मैं चिप्स, लेस का पैकेट चिप्स खा लूँ, कैलोरी काउंटिंग वो ठीक है. But like they're not really thinking about the quality of food, the energetics of food. As long as it's meeting a certain calorie number, they're okay.
Yeah.
So now people are usually looking at numbering food in terms of calories, but they're forgetting कि खाने के अंदर energy होती है. एक खाना जिसका एक तासीर एक specific होती है या एक flavor एक specific होता है, उसके आपकी emotional health, gut health, उसके अंदर जो antioxidants हैं, उसके अंदर जो specific enzymes जो आपकी body produce करती है to digest that food, how that affects your gut microbiome. There is a whole study on this. अब functional medicine में भी, but आयुर्वेद आपको पहले से ही teach करता है कि भाई जो आप खा रहे हो उससे आपकी पूरी body की chemistry change होती है. And a lot of the ailments, even like weight loss, long term में sustainably आप आयुर्वेद के through बेहतर achieve कर सकते हो. So the fact that people are gravitating towards keto or calorie counting, major calorie deficits, is just an alamat of the general mindset of lack of care for and lack of love for oneself. And जो fast paced lifestyle चल रहा है कि बस जल्दी results मिलें, and also really just disconnect with nature कि ऐसी कोई चीज होती भी है, मतलब people don't even believe in this anymore.
Yes.
Say food energetics कोई चीज है, body की energetics. So most people think it's not real. Unfortunately.
Because actually, I think the growing up, what we have now experienced, what I see is that people are eating out. They don't know what they're eating, how they're eating it, वो कैसे बन रहा है, उसका कुछ, they're not into that. मतलब एक चीज बस टेबल पे आ रही है, आप वो खा रहे हैं. You don't understand that it's going in your own body. It's not going in somebody's body, it's going in your own body. So it is going to affect you in so many layers, in so many ways, like on an energetic, emotional, all these things that you're talking about. Now the question is कि ये जो मैं effort कर रही हूँ, ये भी यही कर रही हूँ कि यार people can understand. It's not as simple as that.
Yeah.
We grew up in a household where our mothers were cooking.
Yeah.
And there was a lot of love and affection going into it. And I now sometimes feel when I'm cooking for my kids, I know that when I'm cooking something with love, and there is a difference in flavor, there is a complete science ही बदल जाती है खाने की. So obviously there is an energy that we can feel about food. How does it one understand कि ये एक lifestyle shift है? क्या ये किसी मतलब बीमारी से एहसास होगा इंसान को, या ये एक lack of awareness का मसला है? क्योंकि I do feel कि मतलब मेरी life change हुई जब मैंने I think hepatitis हुआ मुझे और मैं hospitalized हुई और मेरे लिए मैंने बाहर खाने की option को reject कर दिया. That was the transformation that brought me to this journey of understanding who myself is and who my body is. What was it for you that made you go on this journey to understand food the way you understand it or the way you deal with it?
So I was very lucky to be born to a mother who is a complete naturopath, holistic wellness.
Wow.
She was one of the first yoga teachers in Lahore. Reiki healing. Well, I just saw my mother always being in tune with something that was more transcendental, more spiritual, always looking towards unconventional ways to healing. So my mother, obviously आपकी माँ आपका सबसे बड़ा
सबसे बड़ा
माँ सबसे बड़ा आपका जो influence होता है, you know, like that was obviously something that always gave me that root and that awareness कि हाँ ये चीजें हैं. So we were brought up on बकरी का दूध, drinking paneer roti during our teenage years, which helps to cool the blood, you know, like a kadhi tareen cheese. But she did that for us, and I'm so grateful that I was born to her. Desi chicken since that time.
Wow.
This is like now 30 saal pehle ki baat, you know.
Wow.
So not people were not eating desi.
No.
They were not into कि जो desi क्या है, broiler क्या है, वगैरह वगैरह. Desi अंडे like.
और उस वक्त शायद इतना अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी कि बिकॉज़ बाहर इतने रेस्टोरेंट्स भी
नहीं थे तो लोग
तो एक कल्चर था कि भी घर का खाना खाया
इतनी वो भी नहीं थी लोगों को मिल जाती थी
मिल जाती थी
बट स्टिल शी वाज वेरी एडमेंट अबाउट इट कि ये बाहर का खाना और ये वो सो आई हैड दैट environment but then again it's not like all my siblings went into it.
Yes.
Everybody has their own kind of gravitation thing. So I think मेरी अपनी journey began because I think हर चीज connect होती है spirituality से.
Yes.
जब आप spiritually थोड़ा सा open up होते हो and you start connecting to nature,
yes,
a love for nature and the rhythm of nature, आपके अंदर बस एक चीज होती है intuitively कि भाई नहीं, there is something more than what the conventional is telling you कि अच्छा just pop a pill and feel better, pop a pill, bring your cholesterol levels up. It was just so intuitive कि यार this does not make sense. Because when you look at food and you feel the way it affects you and when you kind of go on to that journey, आपको समझ आना शुरू हो जाता है कि इसमें कितनी healing है. So my first step towards it was being really a nature lover. So hiking, camping, environmentalist. I studied environmental studies, conservation biology. That was my first kind of love. I really wanted to protect nature and I, you know, I was really into growing, gardening. So मेरा सबसे पहला step था gardening herbs and growing things and उनसे फिर plant से connect करना, herbs से connect करना, and and so like I already had an inclination because I was thinking about the environment and sustainability and being a vegetarian and then thinking about the effect of different food groups on my body because of that also because I was a vegetarian. So I was looking more into my diet anyway because I was a vegetarian. You know, where to get my nutrition from.
Because it's so difficult to get vegetarian food.
हाँ, और वो चीज़ें फिर and then I studied in California, so वहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी movement थी of holistic, you know, wellness. And then one tipping point was when my dad, my father was diagnosed with leukemia, and that was a big tipping point for us because that's what brought us to, you know, a Vedic practitioner in Dehradun. We went to him for his healing. और वहाँ पे मैंने देखा कैसे लोग इतने मतलब they're being healed from really chronic ailments, really painful conditions like pancreatitis and you know chronic migraines, cancer, things like that, and they're coming here and they're getting healed. And वो मेरी बस एक final वो चीज़ थी कि यार ये तो बहुत rare चीज़ है और बहुत amazing एक चीज़ है जिसको मुझे समझना है, you know. And so, you know, thinking about my dad's diet from that perspective, a lot of हमें उसी वक्त बनाना शुरू कर दी, barley noodles घर पे, vegetarian meals, तो काफी vegetarian खाना पड़ा. So ज़्यादा gluten free में जाने लगे, मिर्च मसाले के बगैर, टमाटर के बगैर, you know, सत्विक जो आयुर्वेदिक कुकिंग होती है. तो उसमें फिर पढ़े and then उसके साथ साथ you know I enrolled in a diploma course because I wanted to just understand more.